At 32, Elias had drifted from the faith of his childhood. He felt a deep longing for something more. But it wasn't until he read through these 5 Bible stories that his heart began to change. The first story was about David, the young shepherd who took on the giant Goliath. It taught him to trust God with his giants, both big and small. Next, he read about Esther, who risked her life to save her people from genocide. Her story inspired him to be courageous, even when it was scary. Then there was Jonah, who ran from God but was swallowed by a fish. Jonah's story reminded him of God's mercy and forgiveness. Daniel in the lion's den showed him how to stay faithful no matter the cost. And the Samaritan woman at the well taught him that Jesus loves him, despite his flaws. As Elias read more stories, his faith grew. He used the website's tools to study and share what he learned. Soon, his small group at church was buzzing with excitement as he wove these epic tales into their discussions.